Imagine a life where money serves you, not the other way around. A life where you can make choices not based on financial constraints, but on what genuinely brings you joy. Can you see it? That, my friends, is financial freedom. But how do you break free from the relentless rat race and achieve this liberating state? Let's demystify this journey, step by step. Step 1, it all begins with a mindset shift. Comprehend the fact that money is a tool, not a goal. It's a means to an end, not the end itself. Step 2, gain financial literacy. Understand how money works, how to manage it, and how to make it work for you. Invest time and effort into learning about budgeting, savings, investments, and taxes. Knowledge, after all, is the first step towards empowerment. Step 3, create a budget and stick to it. A budget serves as a roadmap for your financial journey, guiding you towards your goals while keeping you grounded in reality. It helps you understand where your money is going, enabling you to make informed decisions. Step 4, develop a strong savings habit. Start small if you must, but start. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. With time, as your savings grow, so will your confidence and sense of financial security. Step 5, invest wisely. Let your money do the heavy lifting. Whether it's the stock market, real estate, or a small business, find an investment avenue that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Step 6, diversify your income streams. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Having multiple sources of income not only provides a safety net, but also accelerates your journey to financial freedom. Step 7, stay consistent. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your financial empire be. Patience and consistency are key in this journey. To sum up, achieving financial freedom is a journey that begins with a mindset shift, involves gaining financial literacy, creating and sticking to a budget, developing a savings habit, investing wisely, diversifying income streams, and above all, staying consistent. Remember, the idea is not to amass wealth for the sake of it, but to create a life where you are the master of your money, not its servant. A life where you can pursue your passions, spend time with loved ones, and experience the joy of living, unencumbered by financial worries. So gear up, take that first step, and embark on your journey to financial freedom. The road may be long and fraught with challenges, but the destination, oh, the destination, is absolutely worth it.